Howdy everyone, it's Bob, Homestead Mercedes. How you doing? So, today in the mail, got something I've been waiting for that I've ordered about a month and a half ago. And it was an automatic chicken door opener. Now, in between the rain showers that we got going on today, I came out real quick and actually set it up. So, there's our timer. It's set, tied off, in place. And we'll check it tonight. If it closes on time tonight and it opens up in the morning, I'll take the two red doors and I'll kind of move them right over to the edge of the rail to cover up the gaps, make it a permit like a tunnel for them to come in and out of. And always keep them there for a backup anyways. But there it is. Now, Gypsy and her friends back there, hopefully it'll work out great for them. That way they don't have to wait for anybody in the morning. It'll just pop open for them. And then if we kind of forget at night, it'll close on its own. Or if it's raining, they get in and get closed up on their own. Yeah. So, we will let you know what the outcome was, whether it's working or it's not working. So, we're out here this morning. And what we're gonna do, we'll see if it opens up on its own. So we're set it for 7. There it goes. Can't beat it. So, if you ask me at this point, you get the thumbs up. The chickens are gonna like it. It's gonna make it a little bit easier on us. Knowing that if we forget to open or close it in the morning due to weather or something, it will open and close on its own. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a good day.